Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share screen with audio on Zoom meeting for Windows. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom meeting application on my laptop, and here I have created a room on my Zoom meeting. And if you want to share a screen with audio, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the share screen option. Okay, and then you can select the screen that you want to share to your Zoom meeting. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Then if you want to share a screen with audio, we can select the share sound. Okay, and after that we can click on share, and your screen will be shared to your Zoom meeting with the audio. And I guess that's how we can share screen with audio on Zoom meeting for Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.